How to find the farthest distance from an ellipse's focus when given the major and minor axes. I'll start off by reading the problem. So we got a planet has an elliptical orbit around its sun, which is at one focus. Its major axis is 298 million kilometers, and its minor axis is 276 million kilometers. Find the approximate farthest distance the planet can be from its sun. Alright, first step is to find the semi-major and semi-minor axes. Okay, and that's pretty simple because the semi-major is just half of the major axis, and the semi-minor is simply half of the minor axis. So we do, to find this, we just do major axis, which was 298, that was given, over 2. Don't forget it's million. And this was semi-minor axis. In order to do that, we simply substitute our minor axis, divided by 2, we get 138 million kilometers. Now we need to find the eccentricity. This value tells you how oblong or how circular the ellipse is. Okay? Just for reference, you don't have to know that, but we need to know. We do need to find the value in order to do step 3. So how do we do it? Here's the equation right here, and I even put it in this handy dandy scroll right here. Alright, so E is the value we're looking for, B is the semi-major axis, A is the semi-minor axis. So I simply substitute the values I got from step 1. Alright, semi-minor, semi-major. And so then I square both, and I divide it and I round it to 3 decimal places. That's why we got approximate here. Then we subtract and take the square root of both sides, round it, and get about this value here. Okay, you might get slightly different answers depending upon what place values you round to. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so now that we have our E value, we can find the aphelion, or farthest distance. Okay, so the equation for that is right here. So it's A times the quantity 1 plus E. And remember, A was our semi-major axis. E was our value for eccentricity, which we just solved in step 2. Went ahead and substituted here, so we have 149. And we got this 0.377. Remember, we got it from here. That's the E. So we add these, multiply these, and we get about 205 and 173 thousandths million kilometers, or 205.173 million kilometers. Or you can simply write it as 205,173,000 kilometers. Okay, and that completes the problem.